horrible. What did you do? I'm about to change this engine, man. I just want to let y'all see what it was sounding like before the engine swap. And you want to see what it sounded like after. Before and after. That's the old engine. That's the new engine. New gaskets too. I changed the new timing belt, new tensioner, new water pump, new metal head gasket right there. See the copper gasket, metal head gasket, new valve cover gasket, new everything, man. That's it.